Let me show you step by step how to promote a proven product that's converting very good for 100% beginners with a proven traffic source that you're going to love. In fact, perhaps you're probably already using that traffic source, but you just don't know about this method that I'm going to reveal in this video. In this video, I'm going to reveal you step by step how you can promote someone else's product the legit way and start earning anywhere from $100 to $300 in commissions. I'm going to give you the proven product that's converting. I'm going to give you the proven traffic source that's working very good specifically with this product. And I'm going to show you where to get this product from, how to get your affiliate link. So let's dive into this video. You know ClickBank, yeah? ClickBank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of products. You can come register for free on ClickBank and start promoting their product. ClickBank is one of the top affiliate marketplace in the world, where normally most affiliates who wants to promote digital products get started with. I highly recommend going with ClickBank because ClickBank pays on time, hassle-free. You don't have to worry about the payments, about the paychecks, about anything else. Your job is just to choose the product, get your affiliate link, and start driving traffic. That's your job. Everything is handled from ClickBank. Now, if you don't have a ClickBank account, just go to clickbank.com, register your free account, and go through the process. Set everything up with your postal address, your email, your phone number, your bank details, etc. And you are ready to rock and roll. Once you have joined ClickBank, then you're going to see a dashboard just similar to this one. You're going to come here onto the left hand side and you're going to click on Affiliate Marketplace. And when you go to the Affiliate Marketplace, you're going to see something like this. And then you're going to see all these categories that you can choose to promote products. Now, these are normal categories, but if you go on to the left hand side, you can see the products. So the first one is addiction, has 3 products inside. The beauty has 13 products, dental health has 16 products, dietary supplements has 180 products. So these are the products that are inside these categories that you can go ahead, promote, and start earning some commissions. Okay, now because I have already chose the health and fitness niche, it's giving me the subcategories of the health and fitness niche. So these are the subcategories. The category was health and fitness. Subcategory is all this that you're seeing: addiction, beauty, dental health, diet and weight loss, exercise, fitness, general, meditation, etc. Okay, now if you are interested in promoting any other products related to any other niche, for instance home and gardens, cooking food, green products, self-help, feel free to do so. The biggest niche that normally people jump into is health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, because most people are interested. Health and fitness comes to weight loss, etc., and e-business, e-marketing comes to make money online. Now, if you want to promote a physical product, and I'm saying this because a lot of people don't know about this, when you want to promote a physical product, you can do that on ClickBank as well, because ClickBank has started to list physical products as well. So you don't have to go to Amazon and to these top physical product shops. You can just come to ClickBank and promote physical products as well. So I went into health and fitness. I sorted the results out by high to low, and you can see here I just found this physical product down here that people are promoting. The gravity is very high. If you just hover your mouse, it explains what the gravity means. When the higher number means that there's a lot of money to be made, because that means there's a lot of competition. Okay, so when you want to promote this type of product, what you want to do is you just want to click on your affiliate link, get affiliate link, get your link and promote the product. By the way, if you want to see this physical product, here's the physical product. Okay, so you can see the physical product will be shipped in a bottle, like 1 bottle, 6 bottles, 3 bottles. It's a physical product. Someone purchases it, they will get this straight to their home door. Okay, I'm more interested in promoting digital products, not physical products. But if you do want to promote a physical product, you can do so. Now remember, this product has a lot of competition. So if you're going to promote this physical product, especially this one, the typical way that normally people promote, for instance, you drive traffic using social media, you're not going to make a sale because everyone is promoting this product and it's all over the place. You have to come up with unique traffic and unique visitors to promote this product. And for that, you will have to use the big traffic networks like PPC ads, Facebook ads, etc., etc. Okay, just to let you know. So let's just get into this. How to promote other people's product to earn commission and earn $100, $200, $300 without having to chase anyone, without having to call anyone, without having to create a website, without having to create a blog, without having to create any kind of content. You just take your affiliate link, okay, and start driving real human targeted visitors the legitimate way using a proven traffic network where you can make sales. And I'm going to show you all of this in this video. So you can see here that I just open up this product here. Now this product is called the Smoothie Diet. It's one of the products related to dieting. And it's a digital product. It is one of the top products that's converting very, very good, especially with one traffic source that I'm going to reveal in this video. Now you can promote this product. So if I come here, you could see here that I just typed in the search bar 21-day smoothie diet. And there you go. This is the product. You could get your affiliate link. You could check the affiliate page. The affiliate page is basically the page where they offer you banners, they offer you resources, they offer you tools and email swipes. You can use these tools and email swipes to promote the product. It's a way for you, it's helping you out to actually go out there and promote this product. So it becomes easy for you to get those conversions and sales, okay? And then you could check the sales page out here. If you have any kind of questions, you could ask them. Here's the contact details. You could check all the details here, the initial sale, the EPC, the gravity, etc. And here's the sales page that I just showed you. It's one of the top products and it's converting like crazy, okay? People are buying this product. They are making a lot of money promoting this product. Now you should know that once you get your affiliate link, so let me just show you, just say I want to promote this product, I'm going to get my affiliate link. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on get affiliate link, I'm going to come here, put my username, which is my nickname, click on continue, I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to click on copy, and then I'm going to come here and I am going to actually shorten this. Now I have two options. I could do it with a tiny URL, okay? So if I just go to tinyurl.com, now I don't recommend tinyurl, and the reason is being that tinyurl sometimes does not open with certain browsers, okay? So you might want to use another one, for instance bit.ly, okay? So I'm just going to click on shorten link. So this is just for demonstration purposes, so let's just wait for this to shorten this link, and once it's done I will be back. And there you go, it's done. So I'm just going to copy that. Let's just test it out. Make sure you test it out before promoting it. Let's just do that. Okay. And it's working absolutely fine. I could see here that it's got the hop ID, the ClickBank, the whole thing there. All right. So everything is working fine. Now it's time for me to promote this product. Now you can have a most beautiful website, everything, but if you don't know how to drive traffic, you don't know how to get visitors, you're not going to make any kind of money, okay? So you need to start driving some traffic. Now you can get free traffic, you can get paid traffic. Just remember, if you do paid traffic, you can scale very good, very quickly, very fast, and you can become a multiple, and you can start earning money very quickly. But if you're going to do free traffic, you'll need a lot of patience. There's no guarantee. You're relying on a network that could pull you down or go down anytime soon. So you need to put that in your mind, okay? So if you're going to use a traffic source like a free traffic, it requires a lot of time, it requires effort, it requires consistency. So you have to do this every single day without giving up. And still, after doing it every single day, there is a chance you might not make a single penny. You might not even get results, okay? Because it all just depends, all right? So there's so many things that look into. So I just want to put this in your mind, because a lot of people do start with free traffic and they do it every single day and then after a couple of days or couple of weeks or even couple of months, they don't get results and they start to feel negative and all that. But remember, that's what free traffic is. It requires a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it requires consistency with belief system and with a never giving up attitude. Okay, now the proven traffic source that I'm going to reveal in this video for this one product is a free traffic source, and I'm revealing this because other people are making money with this, and you will see from this proven results. Okay, so here it is. This is the traffic source that's converting very, very good. Now you might have an Instagram account, but if you don't, you could create a free Instagram account, and when you come to this a free Instagram account, what you want to do is just you want to create a profile similar to something like this. Now this is because I am into the e-business and e-marketing niche, so that's why my profile is like this. But if you're going to go into dieting, you might want to have a profile something like this. So check this out. This person is promoting the 21-day smoothie diet program. Okay, and he has 553,000 followers, 3,000 posts, and they have a link to the 21-day smoothie diet program. So you want to have something just like this. So you could see here 484 hearts, 93 hearts, 274 hearts. So you can create these similar posts. Okay, normal posts. So if I just click on this here, it's not even a video, it's just a normal post down here, and then this person has created what can I say, like a article or something, or giving a description about this whole thing, and then that's it. And you can see here then people are leaving comments as well. Okay, so you can see here, if a woman adds certain foods to her daily routine for just 2 weeks, she may notice powerful changes in her body and appearance. Okay, and now so this is what you want to do. You want to do the same thing here, and that's how you are going to start going viral. If I click on this one as well, you can see here this person, this one doesn't have that big article. Let me click on this one. So you can see here down here, 21-day smoothie detox profile, simple detox smoothie recipes to help you change your ways effectively. Follow @Smoothie to get daily recipes. Okay, and then after that, leaving the hashtags down here. Okay, so you could see here this person is doing it. Now you might be asking, where should I get these posts? It's very simple. You could just go to Canva, and you could get everything from Canva. They have done for you ready-made templates that you can use, and you can even edit and just start posting on Instagram. Let me show you a couple of more accounts. So here's another one, 223 followers, promoting the same thing. Okay, 21-day smoothie diet. And then here's another one. I could show you so many of these, 1,800 followers and promoting the same thing, smoothie diet. If I click on this, you can see this person is promoting the same smoothie diet in their profile. So this is a smoothie diet program link, and you could do the same. So what you need to do, you need to first create an Instagram account. You need to then create a profile and then have your link. Make sure you shorten that link. You can see here the link has been shortened with a software and a website tool called Bitly. Okay, instead of using tinyURL. And then number 3, consistency. Every day create these posts. Now in the beginning, if you're doing it for the first time, you're going to have some challenges, definitely, because you don't know how to do it. But once you start doing it and you get started, you're going to become more creative. You're going to learn more ways to do it, and you're going to start becoming professional. And you're going to do it so powerful, so good, that you're going to love doing this, and it's going to become one of your passions. So start doing it, and this is how the top internet gurus are promoting affiliate products, especially the 21-day smoothie diet program. So in this video, I gave you the proven product. I gave you the proven traffic network, which is the most too important part. Okay, in normal terms, people will just tell you choose one of the products based on this, and then start promoting it on this network, but you don't even know if it's going to convert or not, because it's all about testing. But I am giving you the proven product that's already converting, and the proven traffic source that's converting with this product.